Right, so here's my gutter system as it is. So end of July. There's my tomato plants going up there. My bean plants going all the way up top there. You can see the leaves. There's the tomato plants. There's the last of the peas. I'm just letting those go to full seed so I can reuse the seeds next year. Just zoom up a little bit. You can see the peas are nice and big and fat and plump. The tomatoes are nice and green. And they're flowering at the moment, but we do have crop on them as well. See, there's some of the tomatoes coming through now. The salads I haven't looked after at all. We've got a gem squash coming through there. That's about 1 inch and a bit in diameter, that one. And we've got loads of flowers down here. There's a few yellow leaves that I was telling you about, but like I say, these are gem squashes. There you can see some gem squashes coming through there. There's quite a few at the back, down here on the ground as well. And also again loads of flowers, lots and lots of flowers, but slight yellowing of the leaves, which I'm not sure of. I think it might be because we've had quite a bit of rain the last couple of days, and I think all the nutrients have been flushed out of the soil or the medium. What I have done here is I've put a bypass in the middle trough. You can see it goes in the top and straight out without the siphoning loop. It just drains straight out into the next one. So effectively what's happening is the top one is filling up, and then siphoning, once it gets to that point, siphons down. When it gets to this one, it just basically goes in and out. What I'm just trying to accomplish here is just to get this first bit of soil here a little bit of damp, so that this gem squash, this random gem squash seed that's in the top here, can get a bit of nutrients as well and water, and then that just runs straight down, and then that siphons down into my watering can on the bottom. Well, it drains down, but then it siphons out of the bottom trough, and we're still getting good watering effect right down to the bottom. That white pipe that's inside there that runs down the front has not blocked up by any way. The other thing that I've had to do is realizing that the gutter, even though it's not a rounded bottom gutter, it is a flat bottom gutter. The plants, the weight of the plants is actually pulling the medium over, as you can imagine, with all this now growing over. It's now starting to pull the medium, the roots are pulling the medium out. So what I've had to do is use gardening wire, I don't know what you'd call this stuff, gardening wire, which is just plastic coated wire, and there you can see some there that's been attached to the stems. I've got quite a few all over. I've also done it on the tomato plants up top here to stop them ripping the medium out and the whole lot toppling over. So these tomato plants are actually suspended up against the chicken mesh up top there. Let's see if I can't point. I'll point out one now on the bottom here, which is easier. What I've done is it runs, I've just tied it to the back, runs down, and I've just coiled it around the stems to stop them pulling out. You can see there's one that was starting to pull out, and I've now stopped it by attaching it with the wire. You can see the wire going up around the back there. So it looks like we're going to have a nice crop of gem squashes, and yeah, it's going to be good. Thank you.